Hello. Hello.
ஹலோ
ஹலோ கேக்குதா பிரியா?
கேக்குதுங்க.
ஓகே.
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
ஸோ நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி இதெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு ஐடியா இருக்குல்ல? தட் மீன்ஸ் வாட் ஆர் தி திங்ஸ் வி ஹவ்
ஜியோகிராஃபி, என்டர்பிரைஸ், அதுக்கப்புறம் ஆக்ஷன் ரியாக்ஷன் எல்லாமே நான் ஓரளவுக்கு பார்த்தேன் இன்னைக்கு மார்னிங்.
Okay, just I give okay, but okay. What are the things I already explained to you? Then to locations, so how to create the locations you already seen. Then grades லாம் பார்த்தோம்ல.
Yeah, grades பார்த்தோம். Grade ladderம் பார்த்துட்டோம். Job positions பார்த்தாச்சு.
Department பார்த்திருப்போம். Then business units பார்க்கலல்ல?
BU தெளிவா பார்க்கல.
ஓகே.
ஆனா BU பார்த்தோம், பட் ஆனா பேசிக் என்னமோ பார்த்தோம்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன்.
the business unitsல எப்படி நம்ம செட் அசைன்மென்ட்லாம் பார்த்தோம்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Then lookups பார்த்தோமா?
பார்க்கல.
Okay. So today we going to see. Then so legal address today. So இதெல்லாம் common setup தான். So whatever things you have done here, you can manage the things here. So நீங்க வந்து already defined all the things, enterprises and divisions and legal entity, then business units, all the things you can managing the independently. So that the purpose of the task area is actually manage locations, manage divisions. நீங்க already create பண்ணிட்டீங்க. So ESC ல you already created all the things in one place. It's a
correct.
You can create all the things in one place. You can manage things on each area. That's the purpose of we are having this task as this thing
manage.
Yeah. So இதல பார்த்து இந்த சொல்லி பண்ணானே HSM informations things I covered or not?
I'm not sure on this, but
okay, I will cover today. Then reference data set.
Reference data sets, yeah, you finished, but I have to review. Okay, I don't remember well.
So these things today I will explain these things and these things you can easily understand. So what things I think உங்களுக்கு பார்த்தாலே தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Just going to show okay. So all the areas you're going to settings and actions under you can navigate the setup and maintenance.
Yeah, we go inside that I remember. Now I remember because that is what is missing.
Fusion project பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் நம்ம வந்து ஸ்கிரீன் எப்படி எவ்வளவு பார்க்கறோமோ அதுதான் மெமரிஸ்ல இருக்கும். So that the things so manage
location legal
yes, legal entity. So legal னு போடுறேன் நான் டைப் பண்றேன். I can type here. You can see the manage the legal entity
addresses.
Addresses I will tell you. So first how to create the legal entity. So legal entity now you have some knowledge of legal entity. What's a legal entity? What is enterprise?
Yeah,
so enterprise
yeah, I remember, no?
Yeah, enterprise is
basically like
it's nothing but company. Legal entity is nothing but company. So for example, Reliance Communications or Reliance something, Tata Communications, all the things is a company. They are having different operating procedure, they having different working
correct.
Yeah, all the things is coming here. Coming like is under having business unit is a different topic. So how to managing the list legal entity. Here you can see. So already predefined somebody, some others are created or practicing something is public cloud. So number of users are very huge.
Yeah, this Jabal Ali free zone, I think we created, no?
Which one?
No.
A lot of people are working more than you can't count out more than
Yeah, the number of people. That's why you
people's-
told to go.
yeah. It's public cloud na. It's always down. They're updating something. They are deleting something. How can system will manage? For example, you're using Excel. You're creating some list of data. More than 10,000 data. If you opening the Excel file, you're always slow. So அதே மாதிரி தான்
Yeah,
சிஸ்டம்
that is
டாஸ்க்கும் having some database okay. Cloudல எல்லாமே இருக்கும். Cloud they having some storage. But how they access the data? ஸோ வந்து இப்போ ஒரு போர்ட்டலே வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், ஏதோ ஒரு போர்ட்டல், சம் பப்ளிக் போர்ட்டல், எனிதிங் ரிலேட்டட் கவர்மெண்ட். ஸோ இந்தியன் டு ஐஆர்டிசியை பற்றி உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் நினைக்கிறேன். இந்த புக்கிங் ஃபார் தக்கல் புக்கிங், கோயிங் ஃபார் தக்கல் புக்கிங், இட்ஸ் வெரி ஸ்லோ. பட் நார்மல் டேஸ் இட்ஸ் வெரி குட் ஸ்பீட். பட் த சேம் ஹேப்பன் ஹியர். ஸோ ஐ நீட் டு கிளிக் த கிரியேட் பட்டன். ஸோ இது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கிரியேட் லீகல் என்டிட்டினா ஹவு டு கிரியேட் த கம்பெனி. ஸோ ஐ வாண்ட் டு கிரியேட் லைக் விச் கண்ட்ரி ஐ வாண்ட் டு கிரியேட் இட். But my company is Tata Group, is my enterprises. I want to create a Tata Communications. So I can handle here. I need to create the legal entities of Tata Communications here. So what are the legal entity identifier? This is coming to the we having PAN number something. So related to India.
License number you don't have?
Yes. That means
that's a license number.
Yes. We having some India perspective I'm telling. So if you having some registration number, TAN number mostly we having something GST number if you having. So Indian perspective.
Okay.
So coming to the global, they having unified name of legal entity identifier number. This is a common name. So everywhere where you go, எங்க போனாலும் இந்த number இந்த இதுதான் இருக்கும். This is that subject area will be coming. It is not change. Then start date, when the company is going to start, if you having any end date and future end date, this information you can create it. You know the jurisdictions பத்தி உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் நினைக்கிறேன். Jurisdiction is nothing but it's like coming to the tax related.
Where
so we having I think we having some taxes. Dubai, Saudi having GOSI direction. Something we having some income tax direction of
here
India.
VAT
we have VAT. Something coming to US, we have federal tax, some state tax. So a lot of tax is there. So which is country having the jurisdictions is coming which country. So which is applicable for which slabs or which rule is applicable is coming to jurisdictions. It's already predefined. It's already defined. Yeah. It is not going to prepared for you or me. It's going to already loaded into system. It's already loaded into
so
system.
If you now change the country as UAE, what will come then? It will change?
Yes. Just a minute.
United.
Yeah. Social instant. You having these things?
Yeah, okay.
Accordingly, something I create to India, what will come just this. Yeah, we having some pan India tax. I think it's coming. At the India they're not developed Indian payroll because they're not willing to develop Indian payroll systems. So Indian payroll systems are very, very complicated, that field. So I think in the future and in future 2000, I think they are having some announcement of 2022 November or December. They're going to give the support for Indian payrolls also. They're having some partnership with BADP or any other outsourcing payroll. They're having some data, so they're having integrations. So in future they're having something. Coming to the legal addresses. Legal address is nothing but this company, which company is registered in which location and which country. This recording you can purpose of creating the legal addresses. Separate task is there. You can managing the legal addresses. First you need to create the legal address of the Tata Communications. So idoda legal address ni create panninum system. You want to create first, then you can you can navigate here and can create here. Otherwise you cannot create here, sorry, because once you create and managing legal addresses, the data what are the created the addresses
only we can map it now, right?
Yes, just you can select and map it. So
I have to create legal address before itself.
Yes, before you create the first one things, then only that's the reason I put the this is the structure. So in the structure what you create pananum. So you go this way only. So what a document I shared before, the same like First, you need to create the geography. Subject. This is a subject, different subject area. Ignore that. So what are the should be managing the what are the information which is created before in going to managing here. So I can so now if I created something, I can get it. I'm not creating anything here. So place of registration. Registration is nothing but for something is coming to India, which registration is happened. Some place of registration where is registered. It's common information. The legal registration number is coming to country specific. If you also remember that. Here you can see what's payroll charge units and what is legal employer. It is a different topic.
Balan, 1 second. Legal entity registration number should be mapped or it will be automatically coming?
This one.
This you have to enter or it will automatically
you need to enter. There is no mapping here. You can type free. That means open field. There is no tagging, that to searching button. You can see here searching button where you can see this kind of symbol.
Searching button is where we have to map it, right?
Yes.
When the drop down is there, then you will map it.
Yes.
Correct. Okay, fine.
So drop down எங்க இருக்கோ அங்க தான் நீங்க just when search and
அத வந்து ப்ரீயா நம்ம வந்து கிரியேட் பண்ணாதான் அந்த drop downல நம்ம மேப் பண்ண முடியும்.
கண்டிப்பா. Yes, sure. So I need to managing the legal interest. I need to create something. Then only I coming to this area. I can click the here. I can search here. I can search. I get in these places. Then I can click the Doto tool. Then coming to the payroll charge units and legal employer. In the concept பத்தி நீங்க கண்டிப்பா கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்க மாட்டீங்க. Just I can explain here.
Yeah.
It's a different subject area, but it's an important subject area. When the interview is asking you what is PSU, what is legal employer. So what is legal employer? You think நீங்க என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்க? Legal employer என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்க? What's legal employer?
Is it Tata Communication? No.
Yeah, it's correct. So legal employer is commonly I'm saying a legal employer is nothing but legally registered company. So a company is registered on place that is legally operating to running the operations, to paying the salary. All the things will be coming. Without legal employer, employees are working not legal entity. They are working as a legal employer. They are working as legal employer company only. But interview ask what is legal employer, what is legal entity. They are questioning you. We can easily explain. A legal entity is nothing but legal employer. Coming to the PSU, it's a different concept of payroll. For example, X என்ற ஒரு company இருக்கு. For X is Tata Communication. And Y is something Tata Projects. Okay. So I want to pay the I want to rent the salary processing. So who will take care? So யார் இத பாத்துக்கணும்? So who will take care of this? So I'm going to pay the salary. I'm going to run the payroll of every month. I need to pay the salary of every month to the employees. So who will take care? X will be take care or Y will be take care? But the company is decided.
But the legal entity is Tata Communication.
Yes, legal entity is Tata Communication. No, this is legal entity. This is also legal entity. So ரெண்டுமே legal entity தான். Because Tata Communication is a fully software company. It's fully software based and networking something. It's fully infra-rated company.
Okay, fine.
You cannot relate it here. It's different. This is different.
Okay, fine.
This is also legally registered separately. This is also legally registered separately. But this is also coming to Tata Group. Okay.
Okay, fine.
So company having some decision. Why we need to spending money to resources to pay the salary from different legal entity. Better we take care of one ultimate holding employer to maintain the salary for all the group of company. They having some policies is there. Depend upon company. We cannot force to company do that. Based upon the project, we can do that. So in the company வந்து இந்த மாதிரி சொல்றாங்க. So Tata Communication சொல்லுது இந்த மாதிரி நீங்க வந்து are going to process the salary. I going to pay the salary to info also. So that purpose I need to tick here. So நான் tick பண்ணிட்டேன்னா this company is eligible for paying the salary to the this company also. This company also. If you tagging here, நான் இங்க edit பண்ணிட்டேன். So suppose நான் இங்க edit பண்ணிட்டேன். So நான் if I created one things, again I creating some legal entity. I can show here. I can map it in here. So now already I can if I creating another one, just explaining just a minute. No issues, just a funny number.
Okay, no problem.
Tata Communication. இந்த டைம் ஓகே தானே உங்களுக்கு?
எனக்கு ஓகே தான்.
ஓகே ஓகே. Something related. Okay. So once I created Tata Communications is created, I need to map it here. So I can click the edit button. I can click that update button. Update should be always correct, means you can correct it. Existing data you can correct. Update means you can it has some history of data, you could record it. The purpose of creating the update. But temporarily I go for correction. Okay, in the Tata Communication, which is legal legislative data group. Legislative data group concept that means it's having separate concept. In payroll I explain you, but before explaining what is LDG. LDG is nothing but it's jurisdictions what we saw before. Jurisdiction நம்ம பார்த்தோம்ல, என்னென்ன ரூல்ஸ் இருக்கு, டாக்ஸ், இன்கம் டாக்ஸ் ரூல்ஸ், எல்லாமே LDG ல தான் வந்து ஆல்ரெடி லோட் பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. சிஸ்டம்ல ஆல்ரெடி சம் loaded from Oracle by Oracle. Oracle is already preload பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. That means all the taxation, all the tax amendment, what are the slabs, what are the ratings, what are the charges, all the things, all the, you know to anything நீ எதுமே ஒர்க் பண்ண தேவையில்ல, all be predefined is loaded from the Oracle. So we need to just map it here. So I need to map. So what I created for India. So India க்கு வந்து எந்த legislation data groupல வரும்? So legislation data group which is applicable for India. So I need to choose. So I can find out the country of that. Here I can search India. So India or legislation data group. So India or legislation data group is applicable for Indian rules and Indian policies. So what the fiscal year, what the financial year going to start here, you can choose here. இதுதான் முக்கியமான ரோல். If you're creating something, if you're creating the Tata Communications one, you're just you go hiring any employee without linking this, you cannot hire the employee because before you need to link it here. So LDG link பண்ணாம you cannot hire the employee. So because LDG is related to payroll நீங்க salary process பண்றதுக்கு taxation தேவைப்படுது. So அந்த relation பார்ட்டுக்கு வந்து payroll charge you need to link it before it. So அந்த இன்ஃபர்மேஷனுக்காக தான் you need to link it. This is called managing the legal entity. This is coming to the it's coming to the payroll part I'm explaining. Then here.
Okay, fine. That time we will again Balan, just one confirmation. In the legal group, legal employer, payroll statutory unit வேற இருக்கலாம், கரெக்ட்டா?
இல்ல பேர் என்ன சொல்றீங்க புரியல. லீகல் எம்ப்ளாயர் அது இருக்கலாம். அதான் எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து
அதாவது லீகல் எம்ப்ளாயர் will be உங்களோடது படி பார்த்தா டாடா இன்ஃப்ராஸ்ட்ரக்சர், ஆனா பேரோல் ஸ்டாட்யூட்டரி will be டாடா கம்யூனிகேஷன்.
கரெக்ட் சூப்பர் பர்ஃபெக்ட். சோ அதுதான். சோ அந்த இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் ஜஸ்ட் a requirement, based on requirement only we are managing that.
Yeah, if suppose they tell it like, you know, here we have our husband is working with a company called DP World. Okay, DP World ங்கிறது பெரிய group. அதுக்கு கீழ they have subsidiaries like maritime group. They have something called different P&O. அது இது நிறைய இருக்குது groups companies. But சில பேத்துக்கு வந்து எப்படின்னா, though they are working in the group company, they will be having the payroll from the main company.
Yes, same. So same what I created before, I need to link it here. So automatically system வந்து இவங்கிட்ட தான் salary pay ஆகும் because this is the company one of the payroll charge units already linked to Indian registration data group. The employees are working as Indian peoples. The automatically system is going to pay the salary of Indian INR. The purpose of creating it. So நம்ம enterprise section create பண்றப்ப இதெல்லாம் பார்த்தோம்ல I think. So what's the end? இது பார்த்தோமா?
Standard working hours we saw.
Okay. So enterprisesல பார்த்தது
work
வந்து
number generation we saw.
Yes, correct.
Work number generation is different from the employee ID because work number will not be changed wherever the person goes. This is what
correct.
we learned.
Perfect, right? Perfect.
Employee ID will employee ID will be like might be different for UK, different for this US, but work number will be remaining the same. This will be helpful for us to do some kind of work for us. Yes. Right?
Yes, perfect.
எதுக்காக இது ஹெல்ப்பா இருக்கும் மறந்து போச்சு அது.
இருங்க நான் சொல்றேன் first. So வந்து we have created first here you can see. So I need to create the enterprises. Enterprises nothing but same information will be appearing in. What the information you are seeing here, the same information showing in enterprises level. So enterprises level அதா இருக்கும். It's related to the Tata group, not Tata Communications. So அந்த information create பண்றது. So coming to the legal entity, so coming to the Tata Communications, what are the information I need to pass here? So different company having different working time. So Tata Communications க்கு ஒரு working time இருக்கும். Tata Infra க்கு ஒரு working time இருக்கும். They are not related to. They having different timing and timing working hours. They having frequency payroll, weekly payroll, monthly payroll, calendar, bi-weekly payroll. They having something. So this is the information you can pass it as legal entity HSM information. So this is called like that. So what level of salary is going to process? Assignment level or terms level, same like your worker number generation is nothing but automatically you want to create the worker number from the series of number, or manually you're going to load the number.
Manually you want to put, and also you have that multi-level single assignment, that one also comes here, no?
Yes. So model, you can see the employment model which is coming here, multi-level, single, all the things coming here. So single assignment, two-tier, three-tier. This is a basic concept. Mostly 3 tiers are nobody are using real time, but some companies are using. But 2-tier multiple assignments are 99.90. 99.9 peoples are using. Clients are using 2-tier multiple assignments only. Any other Then coming to the these things no needed. These things mostly covered in enterprises level. Same thing be repeated in legal employer level. So நீங்க என்னெல்லாம் இங்க கிரியேட் பண்றீங்களோ அதை தான் இங்க கிரியேட் பண்ண போறீங்க. So one things what you created. Tell me.
Okay. Now what is work number generation? I forgot. You were telling, no, for some purpose we need this work
just
number.
Explaining you.
I forgot.
X is one company. Tata Communication. Y is Tata Infra. So இங்க வந்து I'm working here. I have some 00 employee person ID, 0001. So in future, after 1 or 3 years, I'm going to transfer பண்றாங்க. I'm going to transfer the employee. I'm coming to infra transfer பண்றாங்க. It's called a global transfer. It's not a global. Okay. So when I transfer the employee one place to another place, my person ID will not change. It's not change. But worker number will change.
This will enable them to give the salary in the particular currency of the current thing. That's
what the purpose are they using? For the reporting purpose, but worker number is not a mandatory thing. It's optional. Mostly most of the because already person ID is there. Why going to the worker number? What your husband is working, many companies is there now. That's the reason they are creating the worker number. Worker number is optional. Oracle is not recommended to you need to create that worker number. For recording purpose, for BA report purpose, what are the activities done for this employee? So what are the information related to this employee, to the worker ID? We can find out with the worker ID number. We can find out what the transaction against is done this employee. So worker number is always is optional. So அது கண்டிப்பா இருக்கணும் தேவை கிடையாது.
Okay, fine. I remember.
So these things also you can go for that way, automatic or manual way. These things also
that help.
but worker number is always coming to legal employer level. So in the company level தான் வரும். It's not coming to the enterprises level. Enterprises level ல வராது.
Okay.
So these things you are okay with. These things also okay. Legal entity நான் உங்களுக்கு சொன்னேன். So what is lookup பாத்துறோம்ல? lookups பார்த்தோமா?
No, we did not see lookups.
Okay. இந்த டாபிக்ல ஓகே தானே உங்களுக்கு? நான் ஓகே போட்டுறதெல்லாம்.
ஓகே தான். இப்போ என்ன வர்க் பண்ணாதான்
அது ஓகே, அது விட்டுருங்க. அது இப்ப நீங்க வர்க்கிங் பத்தி யோசிச்சு
அது லேட்டர் பார்ட். இப்போ வரைக்கும் ஓகே ஃபைன்.
எதுக்கு சொல்றேன்னா நான் ஓபனா சொல்றேன். சப்ஜெக்ட் ஏரியா உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிட்டாலே வர்க் பண்றது விஷயமே கிடையாது. There is no very difficult to subject தெரியாம நான் வர்க் பண்றேன்.
I can see it's very user friendly. In case நான் மேனேஜ்னு போட்டா lookups வந்துருது, லீகல் அட்ரஸ் வந்துருது, எல்லாமே வந்துருச்சு. லீகல் அட்ரஸா என்டிட்டியா சர்ச் பண்ண வேண்டிய அவசியமே இல்ல.
Yes, perfect. That's the thing I'm telling. Subject area only is must. There is no. That's the reason I'm recommended.
You should know.
So in interview, what they asking only subject area only asking. What projects are you working? What are the handling things are happening? What are the menus are having? That these things never ask you. So when the lookups வந்து என்னன்னா இந்த மாதிரி எரர் வரும் அப்பப்ப. இந்த எரர் வந்து பெர்மனன்ட்டா எரர் வந்துரும், அப்புறம் ஓபனே ஆகாது. So multiple people are loading the data. System is not.
Yeah, that will happen for sure. You know, see, my thing is that July, August வந்து அவனுக்கு vacation balance. So நாங்க வந்து in case எங்கயாவது வெளியில போனோம்னா திருப்பி again there will be a delay. ஏன்னா இத நான் சீக்கிரம் முடிச்சேன்னா நான் ஜாப் ஜாயின் பண்ணலாம் திருப்பி. அதுக்கு தான் நான் இத மெயினா எடுத்ததே. இப்போ நான் எடுக்க வேண்டிய அவசியம் இல்ல. I want to take up a job.
Okay. கேட்டு பாருங்க, கேட்டுக்கிட்டு அவங்ககிட்ட கேட்டுட்டு அது உங்களுக்கு ஃபுல்ஃபில் ஆகணும்னா என்கிட்ட எனக்கு சொல்லுங்க. ஓகே, நான் பர்சனலி ரெக்கமெண்ட்.
இல்ல அது நான் சொல்றேன். இது முதல்ல இப்படி ஆகட்டும் பாப்போம்.
சரி. மேனேஜ் லுக்கப்ஸ் இதுதான் எல்லாமே டாஸ்க் தான், யூசர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்லி தான். ஜஸ்ட் யூ கேன் சர்ச் திங்ஸ். If not coming now, you can type here lookups only. So related field you can get in. So what are the lookups is there? So I'm going to managing the person lookups.
Person lookups.
Yes. So personal lookups is nothing but it's coming to
என்னாச்சு? 3 ப்ராப்ளம் ஆயிடுச்சா?
இல்ல அது ஏதோ லோட் ஆகல. ஆக்சுவலி it is not loading that menus. So getting the refresh has happened, authentication file is. When you work in real time, it is not getting loaded. It getting load fast. உங்க ஹஸ்பண்டோட சிஸ்டம் பார்த்தா உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். It load fast.
Yeah. அவங்க into finance. So அங்கேயும் VC na aging report, everything is there, right?
Okay.
இது வந்து இம்ப்ளிமெண்டேஷன் கிடையாதுல நீங்க காமிக்கிற இந்த ஸ்கிரீன்.
இது வந்து ஹையரிங் ஸ்கிரீன், ஹையரிங்காக யூஸ் பண்றது.
This is for the end user screen, right?
Yes. That's the reason I'm
This
going
is not
to
implement.
not implementation screen. Implementation is different. For instance, the provider is giving IDs. Sometimes it would not work. Sometimes it will work. There are always a refresh will happen. That's the reason.
Yeah, I understand that too. Evenings might be. It's okay.
So actually, your new persons no hiring screen வரும். அதுல உங்களுக்கு காமிக்க நினைச்சேன். So how to hire the employee? I think already it's shown how to hire the employee. So this is different screen is there. I think it's not coming up.
இது end user screen தான் இப்ப நம்ம ஃபுல்லா பார்க்கறோம்.
Yes, இது end user screen தான். But actually என்னன்னா just explain பண்றேன் அந்த screen என்ன ஏன் வரலன்னு பார்க்கறேன். என்னன்னா what is lookup I explain. Lookups means nothing but if the employee is going to person details, employee ஓட person details type பண்றோம். Person details means like an employee email ID, their phone number, phone contacts, phone numbers, and worker email, something. So I want to add some details of extra. So for example, I want to add any personal email. This is called lookup. So systemல வந்து என்ன இருக்குன்னா அந்த ஃபீல்ட்ல வந்து ஐரன் ஸ்கிரீன்ல வந்து iris skill வந்து detailsல இருக்கும். You can create the lookups. Where you can create the lookup.
Okay, just you will manage the lookups. Like you can add more and more.
Yes,
like official email ID, emergency contact numbers.
Yes, emergency contact number, anything
legal hire for them.
Anything you can add related to lookups. So what are the information system automatically ஒரு 4 தான் இருக்கும். 4 informations already available, but you can add a number of lookups according to your person information. So that the purpose of lookup concept is there. But tomorrow I will show you any new hiring screen. I will get it from I show you
okay
only. Then lookups is pending only. Just tomorrow.
Okay.
Then creates நம்ம பார்த்தாச்சு. ட்ரீஸ் வந்து நான் உங்களுக்கு தனியா சொல்றேன். தனி கான்செப்ட் இருக்கு. ட்ரீல வந்து trees I think already heard about that position tree and department tree, organization tree.
We did not see this, no Bala?
No, this is different topic. I will explain you. It's a different topic.
Okay.
It's not coming to core HR. It's a different combination of it's coming of area for AOR னு சொல்லுவாங்க, area of responsibility. It's coming for security purpose of creating from parent node இருக்கும். parent node, child node. So நம்ம ட்ரீல இருக்க ட்ரீல வந்து parent childனு ஒரு இது வரும்ல. ஒரு
சோ இப்போ in case நீங்க இந்த security access எல்லாம் கொடுக்கும்போது parent nodeல இருந்தா உங்களுக்கு இதெல்லாம் access இருக்கு.
Yes. So what are the position what are the position I have mapped to. I need to create the position tree. I need to map the what are the position need to come into the what are the responsibility to taking care. Same like department tree, I want to create that. What are department tree employees departments will be applicable for this transaction, all the things. But the purpose of the AO concept is involved in trees. So அதான் separate topic நான் சொன்னது உங்களுக்கு. அது core HL security மாதிரி வரும். Then so இதுல ஓகே தானே உங்களுக்கு ஓஸ்லி? ஸோ ஏதாச்சும் டவுட் இருக்கா உங்களுக்கு? ஜஸ்ட் நான் டிரான்சாக்ஷன் பத்தி நான் சொல்ல ஆரம்பிக்கிறேன்.
No, you can go for transactions.
Yeah, transaction.
This one I think when I start doing it, I will understand because எனக்கு HR oda knowledge இருக்குதுனால I'm able to get it.
Like it's not, core HR is not a complicated. It's a very user friendly. Coming to payroll, okay, payroll only is complicated because so nobody having knowledge in payroll. Payroll is a different concept. Most of the people are feeling payroll is a very key role. Payroll-நாலே ஒரு பயம் இருக்கும். Payroll-நாலே ஒரு டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கும். ஏன்னா payroll is coming to not money only la. So all the numbers equal to money. That's the reason. Payroll is a very secure to data. So we need to concentrate on each things. So based upon suppose you don't want to go to payroll module, you can learn, but in future you can add absence or any other modules based upon your interest. Payroll is not option only. ஸோ கோர் ஹெச்ஆர் தெரிஞ்சிருச்சுன்னா நீங்க பேரோல் கண்டிப்பா தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும்னு ரூல்லாம் கிடையாது. பேஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த ப்ராஜெக்ட் ஒன்லி யூர் ஒர்க்கிங். ஸோ ஆப்சன்ஸ் தெரிஞ்சா கூட போதும். ஹையர் த எம்ப்ளாயி ஹையரிங் ஸ்கீம் தான் எனக்கு ஓப்பன் ஆகல, அதை நான் உங்களுக்கு டுமாரோ சொல்லிடுறேன். இப்போ ஹையர் த எம்ப்ளாயி மீன்ஸ் வாட் ஆர் த ஹையரிங் வி ஹவ் டன். நான் ஆல்ரெடி உங்க காமிச்சேன்ல ஹையர் பண்ணிட்டு லாஸ்ட் டைம். ஐ திங்க்
hire an employee. I think I don't remember.
Okay, I will create some login for hire the employee. Tomorrow I will show you. So hire employee nothing but what are the information I can type the employee ID. So employee name and the person details and all the things I can assignment, single assignment, multiple assignment, locations, jobs. So what are the things I created before? I can look up it. I can find out. So search button use பண்ணி நான் find out பண்ணிக்கலாம். What are the location I created? What are the grades I created? I can create and add that here. Things will be higher.
எனக்கு okay fine. இல்ல நீங்க முடிங்க, நான் அதுக்கு அப்புறம் கேட்கலாம். Finish your transaction briefing. I will ask you the question.
So transfer the employee. What's the transfer the employee? So transfer the employee is nothing but you can so after navigating to the person you need to a lot of the things is there. It's a transaction purpose. It is coming to the absence module, is coming to the payroll module, is coming to the compensation module, is coming to the core HR module. Compensation is it's not இது கண்டிப்பா நீங்க கத்துக்கணும் தேவை கிடையாது. இட்ஸ் அடிஷனல் மாடியூல் ஆஃப் Oracle, like a goal management, performance management, talent management.
That is more needed here. Actually என்னன்னா இங்க பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் this is the most needed module. This and
compensation. Okay.
Compensation. The thing is that இங்க பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் they project on the employee's performance and according to that things changes.
Okay, no
because
issue.
they set goals, இங்க வந்து நம்ம ஊர் மாதிரி கிடையாது. இங்க எப்படின்னா every month, every year they have so many certifications which employees are forced to do, and then everything is there. How many trainings they attend. So many things are there. Yeah. Inge completely.
Your husband is complete any certification?
Yeah.
Okay.
They will have now and then IFRS training, that training, finance related. He's an Oracle certified and he has worked in SAP project also. So he knows SAP as well as Oracle. Now super. He did go for Oracle Fusion for AR, fixed asset modules and so he knows Oracle.
Because for India, we are working from India now. So Indian peoples are no needed for, because the companies are they are outsourcing the product to us. So we are working for நம்ம ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க ஜஸ்ட் அவுட் சோர்ஸ் தான் ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஸோ நம்மள சர்டிஃபிகேஷன் முடிச்சுக்கணும்னா ரூல்லாம் கிடையாது. But பண்ணது நல்லது தான். But if you are getting certificate,
no, he doesn't need certification because he has worked on it. But he has done Oracle certification. He's already ACCA qualified. அதனால அவங்களுக்கு Oracleல he has almost 13 years experience in Oracle.
Okay.
Only Oracle, and after that SAP he has worked.
Okay.
Now in Fusion he is working. So அதனால அவங்களுக்கு தேவையில்லை certification.
Okay.
Even for me they are not asking for certification, but I just wanted to get one because or knowledge illama you cannot enter into this kind of